Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So you might be able to tell that we are in my bedroom right now, which means we are having a fashion try on today. So we're going to be opening up a fashion box, and this is one that is new to our channel. This is Dia & Co. So what I'm going to do, like with all new boxes, I'm going to pull up some information on their website. We'll talk a little bit about them, and then we will unbox, and then I will try on some clothes. So this box is kind of heavy. I'm excited to see what's inside. So just a regular cardboard box. There's Dia & Co. on the side with some purple tape, which is cute. But yeah, anyways, let's get into what Dia & Co. is. So Dia & Co. is a little bit different than other fashion boxes that I've gotten in the past, because it's geared more towards plus size girls, or plus size women I should say. Other boxes I've gotten, like Stitch Fix and Fashion, they offer plus size options, and Stitch Fix actually offers like men and children stuff too. But Dia & Co. is for those, I believe, sizes 12 and up, but let's see. So I did get this sent free for review, so thank you very much. I will of course link them down below, and if I can find any promo codes, I will leave them down below as always too. So how Dia styling works: you get a dedicated stylist. It says a styling expert for your body shape will review your profile and send you a personalized box of looks for just $20. So it's really cool. When I went on their website, I was able to take a quiz. So if you're unfamiliar with your body shape, you can take this quiz. It can give you some more information for yourself, for like your own styling, and also for your stylist who is going to go through your box. So I got the result of an hourglass shape. I just realized that more recently in life. Like honestly, like my body size, I'm definitely curvy. I'm like in between regular size and plus size, I would say. But I'm definitely a curvy girl, especially like very busty. And I find that a lot of like regular clothing sizes, even if it's like a large or extra large or whatever, can just still be tight on the bust. So I'm so excited to see what we get in this box, since it is geared towards curvy girls. The fit should be even better, but I won't get into that too much. That thought came to me. So they know I'm an hourglass shape, which is great, which is true. But I always like had no idea. I would like look in like magazines, you know how they would always like be like pear, apple, whatever. Like I don't know why I never thought I was an hourglass, but now it makes sense. Like, you know, I'm like kind of equal hips and shoulders, and then my waist is a little bit smaller. So that is cool. So they definitely get like a sense of that. And you can also take a quiz for them to get a better sense of your style. So it says, ditch the dressing room. You'll get 5 pieces in your style box to try on in the comfort of your home, and then buy what you love. Send back the rest free of charge. We'll credit the $20 styling fee towards anything you keep. So there's free shipping and exchanges. It doesn't cost anything to send back or exchange items from your style box, so that's great. If something's a little too big, a little too small, you can exchange it for a different size. And then it looks like you can browse their collections, like to see what kind of clothes they have. So that's a great plus, and that's unique. Like I know with Stitch Fix, like you can't really get any kind of sense of what you're gonna be getting, so that's great. And there's something on here that says, style isn't a set of rules, it's a way to celebrate who you are. Meet Nadia. Nadia is the CEO and co-founder, and she says, I've always loved fashion but struggled to find clothes that fit my body and worked with my personal style. I've been everything from a size 12 to a size 22, and I couldn't help but notice no matter my size, there was nothing for me. So instead, I co-founded Dia & Co. in 2015 as a way for women just like me to embrace their individuality. It grew out of a personal need, and now Dia & Co. is a place where everyone can explore all the incredible things that style can really do. Awesome. So it says, express yourself, don't be shy, own who you are, and say whatever you want by wearing what you want. Define your own rules, find your swagger, and have some fun. And the Dia stylists know that you express yourself through style. Whether you're just starting to explore fashion or want to upgrade your tried and true look, we get where you're coming from and are here to listen. So shopping for clothes should be fun and easy no matter what your shape or size is. And they have two great ways to shop Dia & Co. So you can get a style box, or you can choose pieces to buy and add to your wardrobe now. So that's great. So you can actually buy pieces now online. I didn't know that. And I believe they have like a regular fashion box and then an active one. I chose the regular one. I am trying to get more into fitness, but I wanted clothes I can really wear. I honestly wear like just the same few items, mostly because a lot of the stuff I have has just gotten a little tight on me. So I'm really excited to see what we got. I just pulled up their like actual store. Everything looks super cute. And the prices look reasonable. Like there's this pretty dress, it's a new arrival, it's $59. Like I don't mind paying that for a dress. So we'll see everything that comes in my box and we will assess what we think about the style, the fit, the pricing, and all that. So let's get unboxing. I'm hoping the lighting's okay today. So it's kind of gloomy actually outside. It's not raining right now. I buy a big window and usually that provides more light in this room. I won't really know until I'm editing, but I think it looks okay for now. I like doing my style boxes in here just because it's a bigger room and I can like try things on easier and show you them like from further away so you can get the whole picture. This is what it looks like. Oh, I drop something every time. But without the card, all the clothes are actually wrapped up nice and well. I'm just gonna place this to the side for a second and get that card I dropped. Okay, so a lot of stuff dropped out. So let me put it back. So it was all in this little handout that says Gia & Co. Let's pull it out. Everything looks so cute. I love the purple. So the first thing I see in here, this is what it looks like. Looks like this might be like the invoice. Yep, all right. And there's this little note here for me specifically. Welcome to the Gia & Co family. I wanted to give you a peek into some of our Dia brands for your first go around with us. And then it talks about the items, so I won't read that all right now. Well, whatever, I will. It says our Mary Sky shorts are great for beating the Florida heat. Dress them up with a striped blouse or wear it with espadrilles. I never know how to say that word, those shoes. Go for a pop of color with the yellow top and let the bag be the finishing touch for a little shine. For the last minute gatherings, highlight your hourglass figure with our Ryan with dress and strappy silver sandals with your favorite accessories. I cannot wait to hear all about your new items. Awesome, that is so amazing. Like they clearly took into account the beauty quiz, I'm so used to saying beauty, the styling quiz and like about my body shape and everything because they even referred to my hourglass figure and they referred to the Florida heat so they know where I'm from. They took a look at my address and stuff like that and considered that in the styling. So I think that is amazing. And then the next sheet in here is the styling sheet, or the invoice, the styling sheet. Can I speak to it? Says, Kitty, thanks for letting us style for you. And it looks like, I'm hoping I'm saying her name right, Jalakia, or Jalakia, J-A-L-A-K-I-A. She's my stylist. That's really pretty, Jalakia. I don't know if I'm saying it right though. So it gives all of the items along with the sizing and stuff like that. And it looks like if you keep everything you do, save 25%, which is amazing. So it says check out and share your feedback on their website. And it says try it on your handpicked item. You have 5 days to try everything on and decide what to keep. It's nice, a little bit longer than some other styling boxes, so that's a good amount of time. Tell us what you think. Your feedback is important. It helps us make your next Dia box even better. And then pay only for what you love and send back what you don't in a prepaid envelope. Shipping's always on us. And I have here the prepaid envelope, which is great. And then there's this little thing that says Gia.com on demand, shop what you want when you want it now. Okay, so I guess it's pretty new on their website, being able to shop and purchase things then and there. So you have access to thousands of styles with the click of a button. Select your faves from our assortment of perfect fitting pieces. Check out today and we'll deliver to your door. And prefer to have your stylist handpick 5 pieces for you. We can still do that too. And then it says you can browse their curated collections. Like it has one of these little charts on the back. That's cute. So I think we got a lot of information. I know that was like a big intro, but this is a new box to our channel, so I wanted to make sure we got everything from that. So it's $20 styling fee that applies to anything you buy. You get 5 items, try them on, return what you don't like, or you can get free exchanges, free shipping, free exchanges. They have a mailer bag that makes it really easy to return, and you have 5 days from when you receive it to try on your items and decide what you want to keep or return. So I think that's it. So let's get started and see what I got. I'm so excited. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Here is the first item. It's a yellow blouse. Oh my God, I love it. I love this color yellow. If you guys have noticed, I have a different headband today, but I've been wearing a headband that is this color, so I love this so much. Let me hold this up. So this is by Chelsea and Theodore, and this is a women's size 1X. It's made with 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So that is like the detail on the front, and it's on the sleeve as well. I think that is so cute. Let's see if there's anything else on here. I think that is everything. So awesome. I'm excited to try this on. So again, I will be trying on all the items after I unbox. And of course, you guys have to let me know your feedback down below. Oh, there's something by Rachel Roy in here. Rachel by Rachel Roy. This is so cute. This is a 1X. This is like pretty, like, striped detail. What would you call this? Like, is it not chevron, is it? But it has a V-neck. This looks so cute and so comfy. Oh, and on the side of it, on the bottom, has like a little split. So that's always a flattering cut, I think. So we'll be trying this on. It looks like it's a little bit longer in the back too. So super excited about this. So far, I'm really happy with the items. Oh my god, a dress, yay. This is by Ryan With. This is a 0X, and this is such a pretty color. And if you guys follow me on social media, you probably know I go out to dinner and stuff a lot, love wine, and this is pretty much the color of wine, so I don't have to worry about spilling. And it looks like it'll hit like a little past my knees. But yeah, so we will try this on soon. It has like kind of something at the waist, which I think will be really flattering. This is pretty thick, but this is like perfect for fall. I like that it's sleeveless. Definitely something I could wear in Florida. Oh, there's pockets too. I love dress with pockets. What I'm wearing now with pockets. So this is great, and you can always like put a cardigan over it if it does get cold, but probably won't here ever. This is super cute. It feels like really good quality too. So pockets, yes. Oh, cool. I don't have anything like this. This is a bag, I think. Yeah, this is the Auburn Reversible Faux Suede Hobo Bag, and this is in light gray / silver. So this is reversible. So here is the suede side. And then let's see. So I guess I didn't realize there's accessories too, so that's great to know. And this is so cool that it's reversible. It's like you have two purses. So you can have like the suede during the day, and then at night maybe make it a little bit more flashy by wearing the silver side. It's like a hobo style, just goes right over. This is so cute. This is different than anything I have, and you guys know I have a lot of bags, well, if you watch my videos. So this is so cool. I like how it has this like side thing right there, if you guys can see. Awesome. And then the last thing, I'm so excited. I hope it fits me because I need some. Looks like these are some jean shorts. These are by Mary Sky. It's a 14W. So this is what the shorts look like. Ooh, it's nice and stretchy. Love that. So I'll definitely try these shorts on first, since we have like all tops. Well, I'll try the dress on first, how about? And then I'll put on the shorts and try it with all of the tops I got. I'm so excited. And I can hold the bag up too with outfits as well. So this is, I really hope these work. I need something like this. So yeah, let's start the try on portion of the video. Okay guys, so this is the dress. I think it fits so well. So I didn't mention any of the prices since this was sent to me free for review. It doesn't say it on here. I will try and link, or like at least list the prices down below if I can find them. But you can also browse their website. Like when I was browsing earlier, everything looked to be like in the $50, $60 range on average. So I think that's pretty reasonable. But this dress, I think fits great. So this was the Ryan With Lexington sleeveless fit and flare dress in burgundy in size 0X. And it fits, like it's not too tight on the bust. Sorry, this is like gonna be a lot of like boob shot. So it's like right here you can see this detail. It's really flattering, I think. And it has the pockets. It's like not too tight here. I'm so used to a lot of things I wear being like tight right under the boobs. Like definitely is loose, but it's not like too bad. And it's a little past my knee. Usually I wear things a little bit shorter. I think this is cute. I think it's great for fall, especially when it gets like in the 70s here and stuff, and I go out for like cocktails or whatever, and I think it kind of does look cute with this headband I have on too. So I really like this. I'm so excited. The first thing is a hit. So I'm gonna go throw on those shorts and the first top. I'll be right back. Never mind, I lied. I'm gonna try on this bag for you with this so you can see, because I'm way zoomed out and further away now. I just put it back to the suede side because I think honestly that will be what I wear the most. So yeah, I don't think I'd pair this bag with this dress specifically, but this is really easy, like grab and go purse. It's super cute, soft, so yep. Okay, now I'm gonna go change. All right, so here is the next outfit. The shorts fit, like they were like a little, you know, they're not too fitting or anything like that. It's like a good size fit. So again, the shorts are by Mary Sky. They're the Everett Destructed shorts with rolled hem and medium wash. At first I thought they'd be like too long, but they're actually like high-waisted, which I really like. I can't really see the viewfinder, so hopefully you guys could see. So I think the shorts are like a good fit. Just for like a casual day. I really thought they'd be like closer to my knee, so I'm glad they're not. And I like the shirt too. The shirt might be just like a little loose, but I don't mind. And that's the detailing on the shirt and the sleeve. I think yellow is so pretty. So let's see, what was this called again? So this is the Chelsea and Theodore Lucia crochet detailed top in yellow. So this is really cute. So let me throw on the Rachel Roy shirt. Here's the bag. This bag goes more with this. It's like more casual type. I think this looks pretty cute. I love this Rachel Roy shirt so much. Like this outfit right here is like something I could see myself wearing all the time. So I love that it's a V-neck. It's super comfy. Isn't this like slit right here pretty flattering? I like this. And look, I didn't notice this before, how the sleeves are like kind of cinched right there. I think it's cute. So this was the Rachel Roy Mira High-Low tee in black and white. And that is everything. I'll just throw that bag on again with this. Yeah, again, I think that looks cute together. So let's sit down and talk. You guys, I am honestly really impressed. I've gotten several subscription boxes, or fashion subscription boxes, I should say. And normally the first one isn't like amazing because, I mean, it makes sense. They have to like get an idea of your feedback or like your style. So after you get your box, I always say like definitely leave good feedback and rate your clothing so your stylist knows more about you. Like I always say that in my fashion boxes because I don't usually expect the first one to be very good because they don't know you well yet. But I think this is the best first box ever. Everything is so cute. I think they really listened to my wants, my needs. They paid attention to my location, my body shape, everything like that. And I think they did a really good job. And I actually like everything. So yeah, I definitely think this is a great subscription. So if you want to check it out, again, I will leave it down below. But of course, make sure to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know what you think. Have you guys tried this subscription? Did you have as good a luck as I did? Because I think this is great. Like, look how cute this top is. I'm so comfy. And these shorts fit well. I'm so used to the shorts not fitting me, so that is amazing. So yeah, great box. I'm so happy with it. I honestly always like kind of like put off these boxes. Like I've had this for a while. I feel bad I didn't get this review out sooner. I always kind of push off doing my fashion one just because I get like self-conscious, but you know what? I want to focus more on body positivity, both on my channel and in real life. And I think this is a great start. And you know, I'm not gonna like be ashamed to try on clothes on camera anymore. I am going to embrace it, love my body, and I'm gonna probably do more fashion videos in the future. If you guys like them, definitely let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. Can't wait to hear what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!